that's brand new. It's a DreamLink device. It will give you some of the best content for just $150 for the Christmas season. I wanted to go right from the beginning. So this is going to be a very short video. This device only has live TV. It doesn't have any movies or TV shows. But we will honor you. As you can see, it's connecting to Portal 1. And watch what happens when it connects to this. I'm going to turn it down here. The first thing it goes to is it goes right into TV here. It has a playing TV guide. Let me go ahead and turn that. That is the guide there. If I turn in this, it'll go into a guide like that. So if you see I'm in a group, I'm in CBS, as you can see. If I hit the groups here again, okay, I'm going to turn that on. If I hit the groups here, you can see the groups that show up on the left. If I push all the way over, here are the groups there. If I wanted to take it a little bit different and go here, here are some of the groups that are available to you. So you got some locals here. If I click on that, it'll load the CBS locals. Here's the Fox locals, regional networks, religion TV. It's one of my favorite, by the way. If you're into news, they're the news networks. So let's go ahead and click on one here. Let's say we go to ABC, and it'll change right there. I'll go full screen so you can, it goes back and forth. It works very well. If I want to go back to crypto, I can. Okay, if I want to go back to another one, there it is there. Okay, and press that again. So here's the beautiful thing about it. It just works really, really well. If we go over again, this box is definitely from Korea. All the entertainment must come from them because it's available from them. When you purchase this, you will have access to our live tech support team. And for the first year, it's $150. And then after that, it's $85 for what you had the year before for another year. So this is a perfect device, a perfect gift that will give someone value if they just kept it for a year or decide to keep it afterwards. Now, anything that we resell, one of the things we love to talk about is the fact that we choose to give great live tech support, customer support, and all of that as long as you keep your subscription with us active. And that is called support services. So we will support you all the way through. And it's just a very, very good device all the way across. It will give a person well over enough entertainment, live TV-wise, sports-wise, all of that from the internet. All of this is streamed from the internet. Again, there are no movies or TV shows on here. You can't add anything to it. The box is the way it is. It's you buy it, you pay for it. Now, if something happened to the box while you had it, we'll just replace it with another box. They gave us the ability to do that, and then they would activate it because they have the information that they need. But this is something I just wanted to show someone. If you're interested in getting a very good Christmas gift, I would look at what we call the Christmas box for $150. I will put a link in the description of this video so that way you can get it for the $150 price. You would just have to pay the shipping to get it to you. Whoever gets it, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee that if they don't like it after 30 days, then they can return it and we'll give them a prompt refund. So there it is there. Take a look at it. Go to the website. I think it's going to be worth it off the top. If you have any other questions or concerns, you can always contact us via text. We do have an 800 number. We do have hours of operation, so please note those. But go ahead and get this Christmas gift as it's available for you. You have a great day, and we'll see.